Hi everyone. My name is Orishola. I'm from Nigeria and I'm an AI full stack developer. So I'm actually here to walk you through the demo of my project, the one I built for the Gemini Hackathon. Yeah, so but before that I would like to say some things and what actually inspired me to build this project for this hackathon. The intersection of pure pedagogy and technology has always fascinated me. With my background in mathematics, I have noticed a flaw in how we currently use AI for learning, especially in mathematics. Traditional AI tool just acts like sophisticated calculator. For instance, if a student asks how to solve a mathematical problem like let's say quadratic equation, the AI simply outputs final answer and that is not teaching. It's just giving the answer directly. No learning is taking place. That is actually bypassing the learning process. So that's why I thought of building an experience that can mirror a real human teacher sitting across you. So that's why I built LogicLens, a real-time multimodal tutor that actually sees you, hear you, and respond to you. It can look at the student notebook, read your facial expressions to see if you are confused, and guide step by step through a problem until the student truly understand the underlying logic. Follow me through. So right now I'm on the platform called LogicLens, the one I built. So you click on start session and it requires access to your camera and microphone for the student to use so that it can see and converse. So before that, let me try to converse with the AI.
I
I
can
can
see
see
and
and
hear you.
hear you. Hi Laura.
Hi
Hi
there.
there.
What can I help you with today?
Okay, I actually want you to help me with some mathematics problem, which I'm going to show you the questions and I'll show you my notes so you can read through and guide me through on how to solve the mathematical problem.
Sounds
So,
great. Just show me when you're ready and we can walk through it together.
okay. So this is a limit question. I want you to help me with it and guide me on how to solve this problem.
I see the problem. It's the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9, all divided by x minus 3. The first step is usually direct substitution. What happens when you plug in 3?
If I plug in 3, that will be let me plug in 3. That will be 3x squared minus 9 over 3 minus 3. So if I plug in 3, that will be 3x squared minus 9 over 3 minus 3.
That's almost right. Remember, it's x squared, so it becomes 3 squared minus 9. This gives you 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. This tells us we need to try a different approach. Have you considered factoring the numerator?
I have not considered that. Should I factorize the equation?
Yes, that's the key. Notice that x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. Do you remember how to factor that?
No, I want you to walk me through it.
No problem. The difference of squares is a squared minus b squared, which factors into a minus b times a plus b. In your problem, a is x and b is 3. So how can you rewrite the numerator?
I actually don't know. I'm a beginner in this. I actually don't have any
Great.
knowledge.
So what does x squared minus 9 factor into?
So as you can see, the AI is actually responding. Now I want to do something. I want to interrupt the AI so you can see if it actually hears my voice. If you notice, I've been muting while talking. If I say talk to the AI, I have to mute my mic so that the AI won't hear me speaking in order not to interrupt. Now I want to interrupt the AI. So well, thank you for what you said. I think I'm getting it already.
That's fantastic. What do
Okay,
you
I
think the
want
next step
to
is?
wait. Hold on. I want to ask you something. Can you actually see me? What clothes am I wearing?
Sure, go ahead.
What is in my background at the moment?
I can see a white slatted structure, like blinds behind.
Okay, 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 thank you.
You're welcome to solving that limit.
I'll talk to you later. So that's just
I'm
it.
here. What can I help you?